Hi everybody. In this video, let's talk about days of the week. We say days because we have 7 days in a week. And these days in English are Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. How should we write them? And how should we pronounce them? Just follow and look at the writing and concentrate on the phonetic transcription of these days, of the names, the words of the days. We say Saturday, Saturday, Sunday, Sunday, Monday. And here we have M-O, so we do not say Monday. No, this is not correct. We say Monday, Tuesday, or we say Tuesday, Tuesday, or Tuesday. Both are correct. We say Wednesday, Wednesday. We say Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. And we have Friday, Friday, Friday. And now let's try to keep them in mind. Just listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. Saturday. Repeat. Saturday. Saturday. Sunday. 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 Monday. 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 Tuesday. 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 Or we say Tuesday, 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 Wednesday, 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 Thursday. Look, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Friday. Okay. Let's repeat them, all of them. So listen and repeat again. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, or Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. Friday is the weekend for the Muslims. Saturday is the weekend or the holy day for the Jewish. Sunday is the weekend or the holy day for the Christians. As we say, Friday is the holy day for Muslims. Goodbye.